I'm super excited to announce a massive update today, Webhooks. Now you can publish your social media posts directly to your favorite social networks, as well as over 2,000 apps via Zapier, Make, Pabbly Connect, Integrately, or any platform that supports webhooks. There's a lot to cover in this update, but before I dive in, here's a quick recap of what makes Giststack unique. Creating engaging social media or video content is tough. Whilst you can use tools like ChatGPT, the content tends to be generic, as the AI doesn't really know what's happening in your industry. With Giststack, you follow your favorite newsletters or websites and get a never-ending stream of topics and post ideas based on insights and trends we find. Think of it as content curation plus creation so that you'll never run out of things to post about on LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, and more. Not only that, but you can create newsletter drafts, blog posts, and video scripts in just a few clicks to grow your personal brand across social, email, video, and SEO channels. Okay, so enough theory. Let me jump to my desk and show you how this works. So to add webhooks, you need to go into settings. And here we're going to create a new webhook. Type in the name of your webhook. Then we're going to go to Pabbly Connect. We're going to create a new workflow. Look for the webhooks by Pabbly. We're going to use the catch method. Then click connect. Then we're going to copy the webhook URL. Then we're going to paste it here. We're going to select Facebook, and then we're going to test the webhook. Okay, so that worked. Okay, we can see data here. Next, we're going to add an action. So we're going to look for the Facebook pages. We're going to use the photo post, and we're going to save. Now we're going to set the variables. So we're going to pick the image, description, and save. Now we're going to save this. And now let's use our webhook. So we're going to go on a post. We're going to create a Facebook post. I'm going to click generate. Now we're going to create an image for our post. I'm going to choose 2 images and let's generate that. Okay, so just created a custom image for our post. And now all we have to do is click the Pabbly webhook button. And we're done. Let's go to Facebook and here's our post. So that literally took a few seconds. Now let's create a new webhook. Again, we're going to add a new webhook here. I'm going to call it Pabbly example, say Slack. And I'm going to show you how you can create a webhook that sends data to Pabbly and then to Slack. So same procedure as before. We're going to copy the webhook URL. Going to paste it here. Going to test our webhook. Everything works. Here we can see our data. And now we're going to add the Slack action. So this is going to send a channel message into our Slack. So this is ideal if you want to post natively on mobile devices. So say, for example, Instagram. You can send your Instagram social posts to Slack, and then you simply copy paste them using your mobile handset. Okay, so the webhook is created. We're going to save it. And now let's create a social post that we're going to send to Slack. So I'm going to pick one of the topics that Giststack suggested. I'm going to create a Instagram post. Let's get an image as well. Perfect. And now all we have to do is click our button here, and that's sent. Let's go over to Slack, and here's our post. So it's really simple to just copy paste, regardless of the device you're using. Now let's create another example. This time we're going to create a new webhook to send data to a project management system. So in this case, we're going to use Nifty PM as an example. So I'm going to create a new workflow for Nifty. Again, same starting point. We're going to use the webhooks entry. We're going to copy the URL, paste it here. Select all content types. I'm going to test the webhook. That works. And now I'm going to add the Nifty PM action. and we're going to create a task. So this is ideal if you have a team that manages your content marketing. So every time we create a new post, what we can do is we can send it straight into our content management system. Okay, so that's that. We're going to save it. And now let's create a post and we're going to send it right into Nifty. So I'm going to pick a topic. Let's say this one. Let's create a Facebook post. Let's create an image for it. Okay, and now let's click our button. That's sent. And let's head over to Nifty. Here's our post. Here's the post information and the image. So this is ideal if you have a team that manages your content. So I hope this helps. For us, this is a huge update in that it opens up Giststack to just about any other app. So whenever you're creating a post, this post can not only go directly to social networks, but it can also go to your favorite project management system or to Slack or wherever your team is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye for now.